In the heart of Goa, in India, lies a village that comes alive with an extraordinary annual feast celebration of a miraculous Holy Cross near the Sluice Gate. Welcome to the Handi Khuris feast, which is celebrated in Maina Curtorim In Goa. As August 20th approaches, the anticipation grows. Devotees and pilgrims from across the state eagerly converge to honor the Holy Cross in a tradition that has transformed from a small gathering into a grand spectacle of devotion and community spirit. Every year, the Feast of the Handi Khuris takes place on August 20th, but this year, as it falls on a Sunday, the celebration was held on Saturday. The festive day begins with a Eucharistic service at St. Rita of Cassia Church. A small event of holding a litany at the cross has turned into a bigger festival with 3 to 4 masses, as the devotion to this miraculous cross has been spreading all across the state of Goa. In the morning, after the first mass, the farmers of Handi Khuris all get together and start the procession, accompanied by Goan traditional brass band. It brings immense joy to watch this procession as they carry their tools and walk to the cross. The scenic beauty surrounding this cross is mesmerizing. The distance of the cross from the church is about 1 kilometer. After reaching the Handi Khuris, the farmers get together inside the chapel and say a short prayer. Then, as per the instructions given by their leader, they divide themselves in groups and they start the work of building the handi, the sluice gate, with mud and sealing them with wooden planks to collect the water for farming. Then in the afternoon, at around 12 pm, the parish priest of St. Rita Church arrives at the Handi Khuris and starts the short prayer service. Then he blesses the sluice gate and also blesses the food brought by the devotees, setting the stage for traditional celebration. The water, essential for local farming, becomes a conduit for collective prayers and aspirations. Some member of the farmers group stand near the cross with coconut leaves and mark a dent after each devotee asks for a favor. A big basket gets filled with the leaves, and for the farmer who recite a prayer for each dent takes more than a week to fulfill the prayer requests of the intentions of the devotees. Among the devotion, there is a heartwarming tradition of sharing. The families whose favor have been granted prepare meals, or distribute snacks for the attendees. Farmers lay a spread of dishes joined by offering brought by devotees, a reflection of the festival's spirit of togetherness. On the feast day, thousands of attendees gather along the narrow barn, forming lines that wind throughout the day and into the night. Their dedication speaks volumes about the profound impact this festival has on their lives. At this miraculous cross, countless miracles unfold, fostering unwavering faith among devotees. It's a place where prayers are believed to hold immense power, where fervent requests are met with answers. Stories echo throughout time, childless couple bestowed with gift of parenthood, the ailing granted healing, the jobless finding employment, and numerous others blessed beyond measure. As we gather to celebrate this joyous occasion, I extend my heartfelt wishes to each and every one of you. May this festive day fill your heart with happiness and your lives with abundance. May the profound love and enduring blessing of the Lord forever illuminate your journey. Happy feast to all.